perfume by perfume reviewer C Chronicles. And like I said, I'm so ecstatic and happy to be able to do this. There is a little note card in here. And I do believe that this is represented by, this is something, representation of her mother. I do believe I heard her say that. And so let's just read the note card here. It says Macedon Perfumes, Proud Mary, that's the name of the fragrance, Extrait de Parfum, is limited edition. It's the debut release for Macedon Perfumes. Only 2,500 bottles will ever be crafted. I have poured myself into this grand endeavor. Want to express my personal thanks for your support, C Chronicles, and this is bottle number 2,412. So I barely made it. I barely made it. All right, guys, here we go. Here is the packaging. I hope you can see that pretty good. It's got some nice detailing around there around the box. On the back, it tells you that this is Proud Mary, and it of course has the list of ingredients. Let's just open it and let's see what we think. Again, this is Proud Mary from Macedon Perfumes. Okay, all right. There's a little sleeve there. And it pulls out like a drawer, kind of. And there she sits. All right. Well, here is the bottle. What do y'all think about that?
Who's the face?